Well, Thanksgiving morning here in Fairbanks, and we're still under a winter storm warning. Have been for 3 days now, and the roads are horrible. I think we got more snow this November than we usually get all winter long, and we've got it all in 1 month. So I'm trying to work my way over to the closest school playground near me, because that's about all I can hunt during this. And let's get over, see if we could even make it over here. And it's starting to snow again too. I see it coming down there. It's supposed to get at least 4 more inches or more today. So I don't even know if the playgrounds are you can even hunt them. The snow might be too deep, but we'll give it a go, that's for sure. Got a screamer here at 54, 55. Okay, so let me take a guess. I would like to say it's gold, but more than likely not. So if it's a coin, let's say a nickel. And other than that, it could be anything from a zipper to a pull tab to... So let's see. It shouldn't be too far because it's screaming like crazy. Oh, looky there. That's one thing I didn't think of. Where'd it go? I have to get my hands all snowy here. Oh, there it is. Aluminum foil. Alright, let's get that off the playground. I was hoping maybe I'd surprise myself and it'd be a gold ring. Yeah, right. I just had another target here. And I do believe it's a nickel. Cool. At least I'm finding coins. Not digging every target. If they're a screamer, I dig it, but if it's a real faint and I see it's like iron or something, I ain't been digging it. Don't want to waste my time digging up trash right now, even though I'm still picking up trash. Let's keep hunting. Alright, so I just hunted around all the different pieces of equipment there. Normally when I come over to this school, I just hunt that, and I have a lot of success. But there's also 2 other playgrounds attached to this school. And this is for little kids. I guess like kindergartners. Look how deep the snow is on those swings. It's over a foot deep on those swings. Wow. Let's see how deep it is for me to walk in. It's like 28 degrees here this morning. It had been 26 below less than a week ago, but now it has warmed up. Holy crap. Look at this, where somebody else has walked. Oh my gosh. Let's see what happens when I walk up top. Oh yeah. I don't know if we're going to be able to metal detect in this, because it's oh, drop my glove. Better be careful. I set the metal detector down, it might sink. Look at this. Deep snow. Alright, so I say this is too difficult. These kids need to get in here and pack all that down. I mean, that is like 1.5 feet deep. Holy crap. Let's go to the more frequently used playground on the other side. This thing's chattering by this fence. Alright, we'll get there in a sec. Well, I decided instead of walking all the way around the school, they've got snow piled up over there. I'm just going to walk back to my car and drive around to the other parking lot. And then it's just a few steps from the car, so work smarter, not harder. See, so this is a lot closer. Just a few steps from the car. Well, looks like I found my first coin over here. Another penny. Also found a paper clip, but not much. Slim pickings. Let's keep looking. More pennies. Well, next target looks like a big old nut. It's pretty deep too, about at least 8 inches down. This Technetics T2 is a hunting beast, especially for that big stuff or little stuff, that big or little, that's down deep. All right, let's keep looking. Well, all right. I had to dig deep for this one. Look at that. About up to there on the lushy. But I think the gang is all here finally. I found pennies, nickels, dimes, and now some quarters. Or at least 1 quarter. Some big money. Big money for the Thanksgiving hunt. Sweet. All right. Let's keep looking. Whew. Well, it wasn't much of a hunt, but at least, hey, I got out. And that is all that matters. Getting out. All right, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. And I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Without you guys, I don't even know if I'd be out here doing this or not. But all your comments and kind words keep me going. All right, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Ooh, 20-pound turkey. Whoop. Ooh, golden brown. 2 more hours. All right, guys, here's everything I found on that very short hunt on Thanksgiving morning. Some aluminum foil, paper clip, a big old nut, quarter, a dime, a nickel, and 5 pennies. That's it. So till next time, good luck and happy hunting, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.